Down a town called Giggleton, where the skies are always blue, lives a shiny doc with circuits bright and a heart that's loyal too. He's got beeping boots and laser eyes, but don't you be alarmed. Doc Bo-Robo's got the smarts and the sweetest robot charm. He's Doc Bo-Robo, the magic med machine, with a heart full of kindness and a brain so clean. He finds what's wrong with a gentle smile, helping kids feel better country style. Oh, Bo-Robo, you're our star so true, a high-tech healer with cowboy boots. Little Benny came one day, holding tight his belly. Bo-Robo scanned and softly said, "That's too much bubble jelly." He tapped the screen and blinked a light, said, "Don't worry, kid, you'll be alright." He's Doc Bo-Robo, the robot with a plan, knows just the right medicine better than any man. He'll mix it right, not too much or less, 'cause healing folks is what he does best. Oh, Bo-Robo, give that wink and peace. You're the AI doc with a jelly bean lease. And when your little heart beats way too fast, or your smile feels like it just won't last, there's a bear who jokes, a voice that cares. Even robots got love to spare. Take a break, but he says you're talking watch. Even AI's got your back on the porch. He might ride a drone to your backyard tree, or build a moon hospital near Crater B3. Catches jelly beans in surgery time, with arms so steady and a rhythm so fine. He's Doc Bo-Robo, no hat but a spark, guiding doctors with a bright brainy heart, helping kids from sun to moon with dancing charts and a cheerful tune. Oh, Bo-Robo, future's looking bright. In Giggleton you make it alright. So if you're feeling down or blue, call on Doc Bo-Robo, he's programmed to care for you.